Okay, a survey was carried out to find how often teenagers use libraries. The following two questions were asked in the questionnaire. Question 1, what is your address? And question 2, how often do you visit a library? And then we've got response boxes here. So it says then for each question, give one reason why it's not suitable. So if we look at question 1 here, okay, question 1 says, what's your address? What's unsuitable about that? Well, they're asking, if you think about it, they're asking for personal information, aren't they? You wouldn't really want to give away your address, okay, because they could do things with your address. They know where you live, okay? So that's sort of personal or sort of confidential information, okay? Personal and confidential information that you wouldn't want to give away. That you wouldn't want to reveal, okay? Question 2 then, how often do you visit a library? Now I can see two things wrong with this. I know this is one reason, but you'll get some questions where they'll ask for give two reasons, right? Why there's a problem with this question. I can see two reasons. The first reason, it says how often do you visit a library? Well, it doesn't actually specify time frame, okay? So really it should say how often do you visit a library in a year, okay? How often do you visit a library each month, okay? So there's no time scale. So we could say that, no time scale in the question. Now, I know it only says one thing, but as I said, some questions ask for two reasons. The other reason I would say then, if you're asked for another reason, is if you notice here, there's an overlap with the boxes. If you notice there's 5, you could go into 2 boxes, okay? Because it says 1 to 5 times, 5 to 10 times. So if you were 5, what box would you tick? Because you've got 2 options, okay? So we could also say the boxes overlap, okay? 5 is in 2 boxes. Part B then says the survey was carried out by leaving a folder containing copies of the questionnaire on the front desk of libraries. Give one criticism of how the survey was carried out. Well, this survey is not representative, okay, of the whole population. Okay, so we can say that. Now what that means is they put the survey in a library. So only the people then who are going to pick up this survey are people obviously that go to the library. So really, you know, if we go back to question 2 here, nobody's going to tick never, because people who are picking this up are the ones who are in the library. So they should really ask this survey somewhere where everyone's represented. So because they're talking about teenagers, they could go to a school, okay, hand it out to school in form class, okay, or they could ask in a town centre, okay. So they need to consider handing it out at a school or town centre. Okay, so then the people who don't visit libraries can actually fill in the survey as well.